Just as a disclaimer before I proceed with the actual content of this video, I want to state that all commenters that defend this vandalism will be hidden from ever commenting on this channel, period. But getting on to the actual content, you may or may not have heard that Teslas and supercharging stations are getting vandalized. What's specifically occurring though? Let's get into it. Because of events at the White House, angry vandals have chosen to spray paint Teslas and superchargers with either the word Nazi or else a swastika. Furthermore, they've also began setting supercharging stations on fire. Whilst many people defend this vandalism as valid, it's still illegal. Elon Musk is not a valid reason for vandalizing normal people's cars, and all courts agree with me on this. Furthermore, spray painting on Teslas makes their own owners appear to be anti-Semitic, which is even worse, especially if they're not, because many people just like Teslas just because they're good cars, as Tesla does good things. Like, for example, they actually got their supercharging stations online in less than 24 hours after one of them was set on fire. Additionally, combusting supercharging stations is also arson and can cause wildfires, which can easily kill innocent people and animals. Teslas and superchargers are not simply just getting vandalized, though, for these Tesla haters have begun protesting at Tesla showrooms. However, these protests are disrupting a place for business for people that want nothing to do with politics. So what should you do if you dislike Elon Musk's political beliefs? You should simply not buy his goods or services and go about your normal life instead of ruining the lives of people who care about cars and not politics. Or, I mean, I don't like Tim Cook's ideas on politics. However, I still buy Alprox. Now I'm liking everything that Elon Musk does, but I still like Twitter. But furthermore, why is it suddenly okay to vandalize Teslas due to their politics, but not BMWs nor GM vehicles? Even though BMW got their start making missiles for the German military in World War II, and GM has been bailed out of bankruptcy by the US government 3 times in the past 15 years. The answer is that it isn't. As always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes family, and peace out.